welcome back to my channel. Today I would love to talk to you about how to actually use my videos. I've already come out with several videos and I thank you everybody for watching. We're over 1,000 subscribers now, so I'm very gracious for that. But I was just thinking, is anybody actually using the tools on the video, and how can you implement that into your own service? The first thing, of course, is just to find a video that you feel is interesting or something you feel, hey, I haven't mastered yet. And then I need you to really ask yourself, are you really doing all the points on that video? This is a time to be honest with yourself, and that's one of the only ways that we can become better. Next of all, just pick 1 to 3 different points in that video, and when you get to work the next day and you get on your shift, remind yourself to really want to try to implement these videos. Sometimes we watch, of course, the videos when you're outside the shift and you're thinking, hey, that's a great idea, but then when you get on shift, you totally forget everything about it. Maybe write yourself a little note, put it in the calendar. What do you want to work on next time you get on the shift in your restaurant? When you have your point, plan to think, when in my service can I actually use this? When are some different opportunities I can actually do this technique and see if it works for me, and also make it me so that it does work. So if you end up actually figuring out where in the service you can use it in your real situation, a lot of times this planning is going to make it easier for you to remember to actually try it. When we get on the floor, we get really busy, a lot of times we just go back to doing the things that are actually really comfortable, because that's what we naturally do when we're in a stress situation. But if we want to end up changing things, we need to pre-plan a little bit. They say it takes 30 days to implement a new habit. I believe it does take a few weeks anyway. So maybe just take 1 to 3 different points every single week. 1 a day maybe is even better than none a day, and implement that in your service every single day until you feel it becomes a habit, even when you get busy, that you don't forget about it. Then you know that it's part of your service, and then you can go on to take another point or another technique and try to put that into your service. If you're a new waiter and you're just starting out, hey, take some really basic techniques, write them down, put them in your calendar, and tell yourself, hey, on my next shift, I'm gonna add this in. Or in the next shift, I'm going to try 3 new things and find out which works best with me and stick with that one until it becomes a habit with myself, and then keep building on that. Your service can become better and better every time you're on the shift. And that's the goal. That's the goal, to get some more tips, to give the guest a better experience, to have them coming back, and it's a win-win for everybody. So I thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you watch some of the other videos, pick out some points, and become better and better at your service. And I hope that you have an amazing service week. I'm Ginny, the Intergalactic Supreme Goddess of Guest Service, and thank you so much for watching my video. If you would like more tips and tricks on service, how to up your service game, click here. And please subscribe by pressing my face right here, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you get a new video notification every Waiters Weekend. Follow me on Instagram